Algebra 2, Unit 7 Study Guide, numbers 4 and 5. On number 4, John wants to measure the height of a tree. He walks exactly 100 feet from the tree, base of the tree, and looks up. The angle from the ground to the top of the tree is 33 degrees. How tall is the tree? So notice that no height is given for John, so we don't have to take his height into consideration. So we have John. He walks 100 feet from the base of the tree. Looks up, and the angle of elevation to the tree is 33 degrees. How tall is the tree? So that's the height we're looking for. So we look at what we know and what we want to know. We know that a 33-degree angle. We want to know the side that's opposite, and we know the side that's adjacent. So the function that we can use that with opposite and adjacent is tangent. So we can set up an equation that says the tangent of 33 degrees equals the length we're looking for, x, over 100. Now to solve, we need to multiply both sides by 100. Then you can use your calculator. Take 100 times the tangent of 33 degrees, which will be approximately 65 feet. Now let's look at number 5. A ladder leaning against a house makes an angle of 30 degrees with the ground. The foot of the ladder is 7 feet from the foot of the house. How long is the ladder? So we have a house. We have a ladder that's leaning up against it. And the angle that it makes with the ground is 30 degrees. So we'll put the ground here. So we've got 30 degrees. This is our right angle, height of the house, and then the foot of the ladder is 7 feet from the foot of the house. How long is the ladder? So this time we want to know our hypotenuse in the triangle, or that length of the ladder. So what we know is the angle, and a side that's adjacent to it. What we want to know is the hypotenuse. So you think of the trig function that uses adjacent and hypotenuse, and that's cosine. So we say the cosine of 30 degrees equals 7 divided by that length we're looking for. So we can multiply both sides by x. So x times the cosine of 30 equals 7, and then divide both sides by the cosine of 30 degrees. So use your calculator, take 7 and divide it by the cosine of 30, and you'll get approximately 8 feet.